how to find IBAN number on Lloyds app. Hey guys, in this video, I'll guide you through how to find your IBAN number on the Lloyds app. Alright, so let's begin. Over here, the first thing you need to do is log into your online banking for business. Then select more actions next to the account the money is being paid to and choose account information to find your IBAN and BIC. If you're using commercial banking online, log in, go to Manage Payments and select Bank Account Summary. After that, on the right hand side, click Manage Columns, pick IBAN and select OK. Then you'll see a new column showing IBANs for all of your accounts. To save this view for future use, select Save View in the top right corner. Now, another way to find your IBAN is on your paper bank statement. At the bottom of the statement, you'll see the IBAN. If you need further help, you can click on the chat icon in the app to contact live chat support. They'll guide you through the process. So that's basically how you can find your IBAN number on the Lloyds app. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.